Okay people, welcome to this Clickbait Page tutorial video on how to purchase another ad campaign. So my second ad campaign is paid out. You can see it here, 101.74 was completed today. So the first one was already completed. I purchased another ad campaign. The second one, the 19 days or the 12 days was finished plus the 7 days, and that ended today. So that is now in the balance available, and the third one is already in waiting for 6 days. So in order for the money not to just lie here, because there it was credited and you can see I already earned $203. Right, so earned wallets, this is the third one that is still waiting, which is the 6 days that is left. Then that will, so I still need to wait 6 days for that one to complete or to pay out, basically. Come on, sorry for that. So this is my current balance is 126. So what we are going to do now, we're going to purchase another level 2 ad campaign for $77. Work these funds. And when this funds gets released, we will have enough to upgrade to level 3. Alright, so it's taking some time, but it is working. That is the main thing. So the product here is your viewing ads. That is the main product here. And let's go and look at purchase another ad campaign. So you're going to go to the 3 lines top left on the cell phone. You're gonna go buy ad campaigns. Right, so available balance is 126. Active campaigns is currently 0 because it's the other one is in holding. You can even buy level 1 if you want to, but we are going on to level 2. So buy this ad campaign. I already paid the activation fee the first time I joined Clickbait Page. So the activation fee is 10% of each the level cost, and you only pay it the first time you buy that level. So if I want to buy level 1, I'll pay $1 activation fee. Level 2 is $7, so that will give you, in the first time you buy level 2, it will be $84, and level 3 it's $165 that you're going to pay for the first time. There's $15 activation fee on level 3. That's why we need to wait for the third one to pay out. Then we will have enough to cover this level 3 payment. And then the same on level 4, it will be $30 activation fee. Level 5 will be $60, and then level 6 will be $120 activation fee, and level 7 will be $240 for activation fee. Remember that activation fee you only pay once. And here you can see right at the bottom a breakdown of my completed level 2 campaigns. First 2 is completed, all 3 has been completed, and just the last one is in waiting and holding at the moment. So we are waiting for those funds to be released, and then we were going to upgrade to level 3. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to choose another level 2. You're going to click on buy this ad campaign. Right now, you can see here price is 77. There's enough, sufficient. Now here you can add your own website or ad that you want to advertise on this Clickbait page. So when people are viewing ads on different levels, they will view your ad, and that's how you can get extra earnings from this platform. It is totally up to you what you want to advertise, as long as it is legal. Alright, so I'm going to add that. You can even add it afterwards, but I'm going to add it now. I just want to see if there is something. Right, so I'm going to advertise X3 matrix here. Let me just get there. I'm going to add it in here. Just going to get the link. Okay, so then you add it there. No, add it on the incorrect place. The link must come at the bottom. Yeah, it is X3 matrix. And then you can preview your ad to make sure it is correct. So yes, that is current stats and everything is here about X3, so you can view and see that it is displaying correctly, because this is what visitors will see to that comes to the site. Right, and then let's just go back and close here. Confirm, you're going to confirm the purchase. You are selecting to purchase a level 2 ad campaign. Please confirm this before moving forward. Yes, I am sure. And then ad campaign purchased. Right, so now you can go directly and start your clickings. Once your you can see the balance change is now $49. When the third one releases, it will be 101, so it will be $200, which should be more than enough to upgrade to level 3. Right, so you're going to, there it is, active. You're going to go there you can view your ad that you just added, and then you can press on click ads. Right, so you're going to scroll down and we start viewing these ads. Level 2 gives you $2.83 for each ad. You're going to click on it, open ad. Take note, it opens in a different window, so you'll need to go back to the original window to claim. You don't have to view or join all these things. Alright, so then you just go back, and after that you can see there's 2 seconds left. Earn, confirm and earn. Use phone. Okay, call back now. Alright, and then you're gonna go to the second ad, open that ad, and just gonna wait for the timer to, as I say, you don't have to view all of these things in detail. You just need to keep it open for that. Those normally about 20 seconds or 10 seconds, and once it's completed, confirm and earn. But it's totally up to you. That's how they get exposure for their websites and their products. Right, and then the last one we're going to view and earn. Open. So yes, copy gold, keep the gains. There's lots of ads. I'm not going to go through these ones. It's totally up to you if you want to join these advertised platforms. Right, so that is your own prerogative. Confirm and earn $2.83, and then you complete it for the day. That is it. You do this for 12 days, so today you've earned $8.48 on level 2. Right, progress is 8% of this campaign, 1 day out of 12. Earned wallet is now 848, and daily earnings is also 848. Right, so you can see level 2, that one is done. Active campaigns at this moment is only 1, so we're going back to the dashboard. And you can see a balance now 49. Ad campaigns active is the new one. In earned wallets, this is today's click ads plus those in the holding, these 6-day holding period. It's 110 now. And then ads for today is finished. Right, and then the total earned is 203. Right, so here you can copy your referral link, and then you can send it to people to register. Right, then to activate your packages, you're gonna go to the Now Payments website where they transfer you to that website, because Now Payments are handling all the payments. Right, just follow the instructions there and make sure you keep that page open until the transactions is successful. Alright, you will also get an email when your transaction is successful. But that is how you purchase a new ad package or ad campaign packages. Alright, thank you. Please reach out to the person that invited you or contact me directly in the description, and will be in the link. WhatsApp link will be in the description of this video on YouTube, and please consider to like and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.